The 2026 Impala SS 427 V8 muscle is more than just a new car, it's the resurrection of an American icon, a modern-day tribute to raw power, bold design, and old-school muscle. When Chevrolet announced the return of the Impala SS with a 427 V8, enthusiasts everywhere knew something special was coming. And now that it's here, it doesn't just meet expectations, it demolishes them. From the moment you see it, the car has presence. Long, low, wide, and unmistakably muscular. The 2026 Impala SS 427 is a modern beast with classic soul. It's sculpted. Body features sharp creases and bold lines that pay homage to the late 60s South Impala SS models, while blending seamlessly with today's aerodynamic requirements. The front fascia is aggressive, dominated by a wide, blacked-out grille with subtle SS badging and LED headlights that resemble the dual-lamp setup from the classic era. Every inch of this car screams performance, from its functional hood scoops to its quad exhaust tips and massive rear diffuser. Beneath the hood lies the heart of the beast. A naturally aspirated 7.0-liter 427 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering an estimated 650 horsepower and 640 pounds-ft of torque. This engine is a tribute to the big block Chevys of the muscle car era, but re-engineered with modern tech for improved performance and reliability. It's mated to a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with an optional 10-speed automatic, available for those who prefer paddle shifters and lightning-fast gear changes. Either way, the drivetrain is all about delivering old-school thrills with new-age precision. The rear-wheel drive layout ensures an authentic muscle car experience, complete with smoky burnouts and spine-tingling acceleration. Chevy has equipped the SS 427 with a performance-tuned suspension and magnetic ride control, making it just as comfortable on twisty back roads as it is on long straightaways. Brembo brakes with massive ventilated rotors provide the stopping power needed to tame this monster. Performance numbers are jaw-dropping. The Impala SS 427 launches from 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds, with the quarter-mile flashing by at approximately 12 seconds flat. Top speed is expected to be in the ballpark of 180 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest full-size sedans ever built by Chevrolet. And then there's the sound. The exhaust note from the SS 427 isn't just noise, it's a thunderous symphony of internal combustion, a deep, aggressive growl that turns into a roar as you climb past 4,000 revolutions per minute. It's loud, proud, and unashamed, a rare trait in today's increasingly silent, electric future. Step inside and the Impala surprises again. The cabin blends retro cues with modern luxury. The dash features analog-style gauges with digital displays, brushed aluminum trim, and optional carbon fiber accents. Bucket seats are heavily bolstered and wrapped in premium leather or suede, complete with S embroidery and red contrast stitching. The flat-bottom steering wheel gives a sporty feel, and the gear shifter, especially in the manual variant, feels mechanical and precise. Despite the performance focus, the SS 427 doesn't skimp on tech. It features a massive 12.3-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless charging, navigation, and a 14-speaker premium Bose sound system that can almost compete with the engine's music almost. There's also a digital rear-view mirror, head-up display, and a full suite of driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. It's a daily drivable muscle car for the modern era. Chevrolet has gone all out to ensure this Impala isn't just fast and stylish, but also exclusive. Production is rumored to be limited, with only a few thousand units available in the first model year. Each one will come with a numbered plaque, and buyers can even opt for heritage color schemes reminiscent of the 1960s models like Marina Blue, Tuxedo Black, and Ermine White. It's this attention to detail that sets the 2026 Impala SS 427 apart. From the paint to the performance, every element of the car feels intentional, focused, and deeply respectful of its lineage. But this kind of performance doesn't come cheap. Early estimates place the starting price around $70,000, with well-equipped versions pushing into the $90,000 range. Still, compared to modern performance sedans from Europe, the SS 427 offers insane power, unmistakable style, and genuine character for the money. And more importantly, it offers something that's becoming increasingly rare in today's automotive: landscape emotion. While most manufacturers are heading toward electrification and quiet clinical efficiency, Chevrolet has taken a bold stand with the Impala SS 427. This car isn't just about numbers or features. It's about how it makes you feel. The moment you press the ignition and that V8 comes to life, you're transported not just back in time, but into a state of pure, unfiltered enthusiasm. It's raw, it's loud, it's fast. And it doesn't apologize for being any of those things. For fans of American muscle, this car is a dream come true. It reminds us that there's still room in this world for tire smoke, big engines, and the feeling of a machine that responds to your every input with brute force and unwavering intensity. It's not a car you buy with your head, it's one you buy with your heart. The 2026 Impala SS 427 is the kind of car that creates stories, memories, and moments that stick with you. Whether you're tearing up a back road, taking it to a drag strip, or just admiring it in your driveway, it commands attention and respect. And for those lucky enough to own one, it offers an experience that's becoming rarer by the day. It's a celebration of American muscle, built for those who remember what driving used to feel like and want to feel it again. At Car Vibes, we believe the 2026 Impala SS 427 isn't just another car launch, it's a turning point. A statement. A reminder that horsepower, heritage, and heart still matter. If this is the last great V8 sedan Chevrolet builds, it's one hell of a send-off. And if it's just the beginning of a new chapter for the SS nameplate, we're here for every second of it. This is what car culture is all about: emotion, excitement, and power that you can feel in your chest. This is the new Impala SS 427, and it's everything a muscle car should be.